pilots, look what ended up in my workshop from Santa. Today we're going to be taking a look at the AT-6, a new release from Horizon Hobbies, and let's get to an unboxing. Oh, look how beautiful this baby is. The quality, oh my gosh, the quality. The styrofoam feels nice, very good quality on the paint and the details. It's got a flap here in the center, a flap here, and a flap here. So when they come down, it'll look like they're splitting in half. The flap is actually just on the underneath part, see here? So you won't see it from the top, it'll just be down below. Take a look at the retracts. Oh, you're getting jealous. Nice little short connectors for the servos. They put the new connectors in here. I just love when they do this. It makes it so clean and neat. This is going to allow us to get together a lot faster. It's just going to connect. We have some other hardware tucked down in this little pocket down here. Full set of directions. These are our horizontal stabilizers. Carbon rod that goes in there for extra strength. Not a whole lot of hardware, guys, to have to mess with and put together when you buy this plane. Just the screws to put the wings on and a couple little screws right here. Oh, you're gonna love this, guys. They put the instrumentation panel in there for front and back, so you could actually put in another pilot if you wanted to. This is held on by a very strong magnet, so you just kind of lift up. Oh, it's gorgeous. Check it out. Very nicely done. It's got an EC3 connector, is what you've come to expect from E-flite. And Horizon Hobby does a really good job. This is going to take anywhere from a 2200 to a 3200 milliamp battery. And underneath here is where you have your receiving end for your servos. All your linkage is already set for you for the tail. As far as the overall quality, the shipping and everything, I give this thing an A+. It's just, guys, go out and get one of these. This didn't come in the box, but I just want to recommend a battery for you. I've got the Thrust brand batteries here from E-flite. They're 2400 milliamps. You can pick these up at Horizon Hobby. Along with the plane, you can go to horizonhobby.com and get one or three for yourself.